Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick bonus lesson with me, Oshin, your mad educator. So today, I just want to give you three quick tips on a career in mobile. So let's get started with the very first one. So develop, guys, develop. What do I mean by develop? Well, I mean keep on developing yourselves. Keep learning new skills, guys, new languages, technologies, processes, and software, guys. If you want to be a great mobile app developer, you do have to keep on learning new skills, languages, technologies, and processes. Otherwise, in 2 years' time, 3 years' time, you will be left in the dust by people who have kept on developing themselves, kept on looking forwards. And as well, guys, you need to practice, practice, practice. That is one of the hugely important things when you are starting out in your career in mobile app development. So, a lot of you guys, this may be your first time coding. You need to practice, practice, practice until it becomes as easy as anything else that you do really well. So you do need to practice so you can become an expert developer. And then look forwards and sideways, guys. Look forwards, as I said, see what new technologies are coming up. Read tech articles, read mobile app news stories, see what is happening in the future so you can ride that wave when it happens, and look sideways as well, see what competitors out there are doing, or see what other application software is doing. Maybe it's starting to move forward, so keep an eye on what's going around you. Keep an eye on your surroundings when you are developing. So another good idea, guys, is to diversify. Maybe development isn't for you. Maybe you are finding the coding a bit hard or something like that. You can diversify very easily, no problem at all. There are a huge amount of peripheral careers in the mobile app development industry. Just to name a few, graphic design. This is a huge one, guys. Very large in the tech industry because websites, mobile apps, whether they need logos done, whether they need color schemes for the apps done, they need a graphic designer. Icons as well would be done by a graphic designer. And even if you did have that on your CV, that you knew graphic design, that you knew the Adobe suite, it would more likely get you a job in a mobile app company purely because they know you could design logos, they know you would be good with a user interface. Marketing as well, guys. Marketing is huge in the mobile app world. I've talked about it before, but there's no point in developing an app if you don't market it correctly. Otherwise, how are people meant to know that your app is out there? And again, if you had that on your resume when applying for a mobile app job, that you knew quite a bit about marketing, that would definitely help. And project management as well. So having a good understanding of mobile app development, the processes behind it, and what it takes to get from A to B to C to the finished project, well then possibly project management could be for you, managing mobile app projects, but you would need to have a good understanding of mobile app development for that to help. But that's what I mean by diversify, guys. It's not just the development side of things. There are a lot of peripheral industries out there. Content writer is another one, writing content for apps, and quite a few others out there as well. And then the final one, and one of the most important in my opinion, is have fun, guys. Is it something you enjoy, guys? Because in my experience, development can be very fun and rewarding. There is nothing like getting something working after working on it for hours upon hours. Now, it can take time to reach that stage. That is why you need to practice, 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 constantly research, constantly develop yourself. But think about it, guys. Do you enjoy problem solving, design, aesthetics, planning, being creative, and a whole host of other things that are involved in mobile app development? Well, then maybe it is something you will enjoy. So hopefully I've given you something to think about. I've given you a couple of tips on how to make the most of a career in mobile app development. So that's all from me, guys, and I will see you in the next lesson. Enjoy.